going to be showing you today how to make the classroom classic. It's a really simple paper plane. So the first step is to fold it in half, as you do with most paper airplanes. If it's in a book or usually anything that you learn it from. Then you fold it like this. Fold down the edges to the center line. The third step is to fold them on both sides again. You should have something that looks like this, and then fold it in half. They make the wings, they should be like about 1 inch down. I really don't look at it, I just look at the front to see, like, I usually measure like the front, not like this. Okay, and then there you have it. You have your classroom classic. This classic paper airplane flies very far. You can make different combinations. You could make these. You could fold it in like this, and this so that it has a lock on the front. This isn't able to come out without like bending it. So yeah, that's all for this week's video.